Okay, let's start off by making this yellow pepper cilantro pesto. Now, you can use this particular pesto whether you're making something like a sandwich, put it in a mayo, or just use it with pasta. I'm just going to show you how to make the pesto. It's really simple. What we have here is 2 large yellow peppers that I've just roughly chopped up, and I'm just basically putting in a pan. No oil, no real nothing. The idea here is to get some char on them and to extract a good chunk of the water out of them. So just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, nothing else. Over about a medium heat. This will take a couple of minutes. I'd say about somewhere between 2 to 4 minutes, depending on where you live. Cooking times can vary. I'll show you what you're looking for when you want to pull them off. Basically what you want is some peppers that look a little bit like this. Water's kind of been cooked out a little bit. They've got some char on them. Alright, just time to put them in a bowl and let's move on to making our pesto. Okay, let's start making the pesto. I already have 1 clove of garlic in there that I ran through a mincer. There's our yellow peppers we fried up and charred up a little bit. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons worth of pine nuts. By the way, if you'd like to keep your pine nuts, here's a tip. Put them in a little Tupperware container and put them in the freezer. They last longer. Then you want to have about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Unfortunately, if you know someone with a cilantro gene, they're not going to like this. I don't know, it's the weirdest damn thing. If you hate cilantro, you fucking hate cilantro. Now it's time to get out a little old grater, and you want to grate about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. I probably got it closer to 5 just because I really like Parmesan cheese. So, alright, we'll skip a bit here. The reason I had to skip a bit is that pre-ground Parmesan cheese you get in that green can is just fucking awful. Anyway, just a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper, about a 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon of each one of these. And then it's time to pulse this shit together. It will be sticky on the sides, so you may have to do this a few times. Remove the lid, scrape down the sides with a spoon. But I'd say about, 10 pulses should do you good. I think I only did this once, but you might have to do it, 1, maybe 2 times, possibly 3. But, yeah, this is kind of what you're looking for. Alright. Okay, now that that's done, it's time to add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil to the mix slowly. Now, my food processor has a little, cup thing in it that I just pour the oil in and it automatically releases it in there. If you don't have that, obviously you can just do it yourself. Just make sure to slowly drizzle it in. And you want to keep it on continuously until it all comes together, and you'll kind of know. This process should take you about, 90 or so seconds. Once it's done, you're kind of looking for something like this. One last little taste to add any seasoning. Don't need it. And we should be ready to go. Okay, and that's basically it. Yellow pepper cilantro pesto, done. I really didn't have a dish for this. And by the way, if you're dating a vegetarian or actually even a vegan, this is vegan. I actually did it. I made a vegan recipe. Son of a bitch. Oh, wait, no, there's cheese in it. Well, fuck it, it's vegetarian. I can't cook vegan.